So hey guys, hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today I come to you with some previous year of chemical bonding. So we'll discuss the previous year of chemical bonding of GATE examination of last previous years. So I will write solutions here, and the problem will appear on your screen. So the first question, the problem will appear on your screen for few seconds. Just read the question and I will discuss the questions here in the board. Without wasting any time, I just started I want to start the video. So the first question here is we have to evaluate the shape of the molecule. Acha, okay. First question is the shape of the molecule HCO2F2. HCO2F2. So to know the shape of this molecule, we have to first calculate the hybridization. So H equal to half into 8 plus 2 equal to 10 by 2 equal to 5, and the lone pair L equal to 5 minus 2 minus 2 single monovalent and divalent. Okay, so that is equal to 1, means here one hybridization is 5, that is sp3d, and lone pair is 1. So what will the shape of this molecule? Guess. Just pause the video and guess what will be the shape of this molecule. So as you know that here sp3d means it should be trigonal bipyramidal TBP, but one lone pair is present, so it will be like, if they ask about the geometry, it will be TBP hybridization. Because of hybridization is sp3d, if they ask about the geometry, it will be trigonal bipyramidal, but they are asking about the shape. So geometry is TBP, but the shape will be XC. More electronegative element will be on the less S character. Okay. So according to Bend's rule, so oxygen is less electronegative than fluorine, so fluorine will be here and oxygen will be here, and here is a lone pair. So what is the shape of this molecule now? Yes, pause the video and comment on the below. It will be seesaw. Okay, if they ask about the geometry, it will be trigonal bipyramidal, and if they ask about the shape, it will be seesaw. So let's go to the next question. It will appear on your screen. Just watch the video. Below the screen it will appear, and pause the video and watch carefully, and I am solving the problem here. So next question is the XeO6 4 minus. Okay, it came in 2005 GATE. It came in 2006. Chemical bonding is a very easy chapter, so you just watch the previous solve the previous year and solve some basic concepts, so you will get full marks from chemical bonding, because 1 to 2 questions will come from here. Okay, so we will solve. They are saying that XeO6 4 minus is octahedral, whereas XeF6 is a distorted one. Video is playing. Yeah, video is playing. So they are asking about the reason that it is a octahedral, and while XeF6 is a distorted one. Why is the reason? So let's talk about the hybridization. So I am calculating is directly, not doing this much of calculation. See, 8 here 8, 4 minus by 2 means 6, 6 minus 6 equal to 0. No lone pairs, no lone pairs. Okay, so it is perfectly octahedral. And here XeF6, so 8 plus 6 by 2 equal to 7, and lone pairs 7 minus 6 equal to 1. So one lone pair is present. It should be 7 means pentagonal bipyramidal, but it will not be that. It will be distorted one because of one lone pair. So as you can see the options, there is options are there that fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen. Xe has a lone pair in XeF6, that is the reason. And XeF6 has neutral, whereas in ionic XeF has more ionic character. So the answer will be it has one lone pair. So that's why it is we are getting distorted shape. Okay. So moving to next question. You see on the screen. So we have to determine the compound having same hybridization of the central atom. Okay. Let me remove these things. So you can do here option elimination, but we will do full this problem. We will complete this problem, because if you practice the shape, it will be very more achievable for you. In examination you will try the option elimination method. It will save your time, but here we are practicing, so it will increase our knowledge. It will it will help to sharpen our knowledge. So you should see every option. You have to try every option, so you can if it is wrong, then you can know that knowledge is not applicable here or it is wrong. So you should try every option. So XeF4 and SiF6, XeF4 and SiF6 2 minus. Tell me, they are asking about the hybridization. So here 8 plus 4 by 2 means 6, means sp3 d2. Si silicon 4 carbon 6, 4 plus 6 plus 2 means 6, sp3 d2. So as you can see that we are getting our answer in the first option, but we will try the other ones also. We will see what hybridization will come. NiCl4 2 minus. So NiCl4 Ni is 10. NiCl4 is sp3. So nickel, as you can see that nickel is sp3 because it is a D8 system. You know, D8 system will give you square planar or tetrahedral. So as you can see here, if it is a weak field ligand, then it will give tetrahedral. If it is a strong field ligand, then it will give you DsP2. Hybridization means square planar, means it will like this. it will paired up. Okay, because of the strong field ligand, but here is a weak field ligand is present, so that's why it will be sp3. PTCl4, here weak field ligand is present, but PT is 5D, it's coming, that's why strong from it will come DsP2. So not hybridization is not same. And next question, NiCO4. See here, I am writing below of this because you can understand here. Here Ni look weak field ligand, and here Ni also present but strong field ligand, it will come DsP2. As I told, D8 system. D8 system, if strong field ligand will present, it will give square planar complex, and if it weak field ligand present, it will give trilateral complex. And another is CO2F2. We already solved this in our first question. So as you can see, 8 plus 2 by 2, it is 5. sp3d, not same. Last one, CONH3 whole 6. As you know that CO3 plus means it is a low spin complex, okay, except every CO3 plus complex is a low spin complex except COF6 3 minus, okay, except COF6 3 minus, it is a high spin complex. It is a low spin complex, that means low spin means it it will not D2sp3 will come. Understand? Every CO3 plus complex is a low spin complex. Remember this thing, and exceptional is here, COF6 3 minus, and another complex is COH2O whole 6 3 plus. And another exceptional is here, it is also a high spin complex, that's why sp3d2. As you can see here, I can draw the structure as well. So cobalt, you know that D2, or you can draw like this, it will be more understandable. D7, okay, but when it is while it is high spin complex, it is not pairing, na? But when it is a low spin, it is coming here. Means and this did a mistake here, it is a D6 system, not D7 system. 3 plus is there, means D6 system. D6 system means, so it will be paired like here, three it will come here, means 2 we are getting 2 D2 here. So for exceptional is two exceptionals are there, COF6 3 minus and COH2O 3 plus. These are two exceptionals. Other CO3 plus, all the complexes are low spin complex, they will give D2sp3. Okay. So quickly moving to the next question. Next question, which is important question. I forget to tell that it came in 2007. The question will appear in your screen. You can watch there also. So next question, read in the screen. ClF3 where to be stereochemically rigid and 19F NMR spectrum would be what? Okay, they are asking about ClF3. Okay, if they are giving you a compound and they are asking about spectrum, you should know the geometry and how to find the geometry hybridization. And so let's do 7 plus 3 by 2 equal to 5, 5 minus 3. Okay, 5 minus 3 equal to 2, means this is the hybridization, means sp3d. I am doing in the same line, don't be confused. Here it is a hybridization 5 and I subtract the number of the bonds, so it is a lone pair. So it will it is giving sp3d, means tetragonal bipyramidal and 2 lone pairs. So its geometry will be tetragonal trigonal bipyramidal, but it will come like this. Okay, so two fluorine will be on the axial position and one fluorine will be the in equatorial position. More electronegative element will be in the maximum distance 180 degree Bend's rule. So I put two fluorine there. Okay, maximum distance 180 degree, here 120 degree. So they are asking about 19F NMR. So you have to watch there that here two types of fluorine present. One is two axial positions, their environment is same, they are both are affected by this lone pair and this fluorine. So these two fluorines will give one signal, it will couple with these two fluorines, this 2F will couple with this fluorine, so they will give they will give a doublet. Okay, how I am getting doublet? So we have to put 2 and I plus 1 rule. So 2 into 2 into half the spin I value of fluorine is half plus 1. So we are getting sorry this one, it will be half. The number of fluorine neighboring atom here na, I mistakenly put the 2. We have to put there the neighboring atom, so neighboring atom is 1, so 1, so here 2 will come, means doublet. It is for axial, it is for axial positions, and for the this fluorine is affected by this, so it will coupled with this 2 fluorine, so it will come like this, 2 into 2 neighboring atom 2, they are in same environment, they will couple this into half into 1 plus 1 equal to 3, so it will give a triplet. So we will get two types of signal, one is doublet, these two, and one will give triplet. Fine, understand? Don't watch the video only, just when you saw the video on your when you saw the when the question will appear on your screen, just pause the video and try to analyze it your own, solve it first, try your own, then show the video how I am solving. Otherwise if you just don't sit and watch the video, you will not learn. If you want to learn, you have to solve first by yourself, solve by yourself and then play the video and watch how this is happening, then it will click to your mind, then you will mind you are pushing your mind to think how to solve the problem. This is a normal common problem, everyone can solve this, but I am guessing for every question, if you are sitting and solving previous year or something else, just first try by yourself to solve the problem, so it will help to push your mind that think about that problem, you can solve it. If you try hard, you can't get it, then you saw anyone's video, mine video or another very good platforms are there, so or read books, but just give your mind a chance to think about that, then your mind will be like open mind. Okay, okay, don't let's proceed to our uh, next question. So it will appear on your screen. The geometry around the central atom is ClF4 plus. So they are asking about ClF4 plus. Geometry, they are asking about geometry, not shape. Geometry means the hybridization. Means with respect to hybridization we are getting that means that geometry, but shape means we are not taking the lone pairs. So here hybridization is 7 plus 4 minus 1 by 2. So I am calculating directly. You are grown up enough to understand this. So 5 and 4 equal to 1 lone pair, and 5 sp3 d. We need this sp3d trigonal bipyramidal. It will be, answer will be trigonal bipyramidal. Yes, D, option D. Option D will be answer, trigonal bipyramidal. Okay, because they are asking about the geometry. Geometry will be according to the hybridization, so it will be TBP. If they are asking about shape, then we will not consider the lone pair. We will consider only 4 atoms. So it will be seesaw. It will be like this. Okay, seesaw. Let's use this space. Next question. So among the following, the isoelectronic this is from 2009. 2009 2009. Next question is coming from 2008, I think. 2008. No, 2010. No, it is also 2009. Next question. That is, we have to calculate the isoelectronic and isostructural pair. Video is playing. Isoelectronic and isostructural pair. So first option will watch every option, CO2 and SO2. CO2 is CO2 or CO3? CO2 is a linear structure. First count the, okay, let me write for all the options first, then it will SO3 and CO3. NO2 plus TO2. And SiO4 4 minus, SiO4 4 minus, and PO4 3 minus. So solve it by yourself and tell me what will be the right. See, we have to find the two structures that will have same, that definitely they will have trigonal planar. It is also trigonal planar, but electron count is different. Okay. For okay, this one is linear, this one is bent. How I know this one is bent? Calculate Ray. Here NO2 plus. Tell me the shape. Comment below. Tell me these structures. So it will be like V shaped. Okay. It is also V shaped. tellurium same. Sulfur, it is a tetrahedral geometry. Count the electrons as well, and you will find this one will be matched. This one is same, but the electron count is different. Here the structure also same, but electron count is different. That will match. I think silicon is 14 plus oxygen have 8 electrons, 8 into 4 32 plus 4 50. Phosphorus is 15 plus 32 plus 3 50, means both have 50 electrons and tetrahedral geometry. So it will be the answer. Okay, let's move to the next question. Let me remove these things. Next question will appear on your screen. Just read the question and I am solving the question. Just wait. Next question. Okay, get 2010. Okay. According to Vesper model, the shape of the XeO F5 minus. What is they are asking? They are asking about the shape. Shape they are asking, not geometry. So we'll find first the hybridization. So 8 plus 5 plus 1 by 2. Okay. So 8 plus 5 means 14 by 2 7. I should take another chalk. 7 minus 6 1. So it should be pentagonal. It should be pentagonal bipyramidal, but it will not. What will be the structure? Just comment below. Okay, they are giving the options like octahedral. It will not be octahedral. It should be, if it is, it will be octahedral, it should be distorted octahedral, but they are not giving the trigonal bipyramidal, no chance. Square pyramidal they are asking, no. Square pyramidal, when square pyramidal will come? When octahedral 6 hybridization will come and 1 lone pair will be there. Pentagonal monopyramidal. So we are getting 7 means it should be sp3 d2, that is pentagonal bipyramidal but one lone pair is there, so and others are, so it will be like monopyramidal. So that option will be correct, monopyramidal. It will not pentagonal bipyramidal, it will be monopyramidal. Monopyramidal. Next question. Next question is that 2011, among the following the group of molecules that undergoes rapid hydrolysis. Read the questions carefully. They are asking about hydrolysis. When hydrolysis happens, just tell me. Hydrolysis means what? Water will attack. When water molecule will can attack. When vacant orbital will be there, means tell me the answers in comment section, then I will solve this. See, the options are given like this. SF6. You need a big molecule as well. Big molecule means central atom, because water molecule will come. If SF6 fluorine atom is there, steric hindrance is there, much steric hindrance is there, it will difficult to come. Al2Cl6, it's a dimer, it is difficult to get hydrolyzed. Okay, SiMe3, no, Symmetry, it's again CH3 molecules are there, means it will create some steric hindrance. Okay, BCl3 will can, because BCl3 has vacant orbitals, so water molecule can attack and replace BO is all 3. You know this, that reaction. SF6 again it will not, means A option will cancel, B option also cancel. Okay, so we will eliminate 2 questions, and A eliminated, B eliminated, A eliminated, B eliminated. Now C and D. So let's look up after the C. BCl3, as I told that it will hydrolyzed. SiCl4, yes, SiCl4, Cl4 has Cl4 has vacant electron, and SiCl4, you know, it will polymerized reactions in main group elements. You studied about the SiCl4, that it is hydrolyzed by water. So SiCl4 will hydrolyzed, and PCl5 as well. Okay, so because P has a 3D and a bigger shape as well, so it will undergoes hydrolysis. So the right answer will be C, BCl3. Then SiCl4, na? Actually the question is from main group elements, from the group 14. Okay, group 14 you will read about this, and boron chemistry you will get this. So group 13, group 14 and group 15 is coming. So it is less, means it given in the chemical bonding previous year, but it is from main group element. You have to study main group. Main group is very, means we can't guess the questions where it will come. You can study main group very broadly, but you will not get any questions. It will can happen, and you are not studying very less. You are going for exam with very less content, but you will get questions like that. It will can happen, means no one can expect or guess questions from main group from which area it will come. Okay, so let's proceed to the next question. So the reaction of the solid of the XeF2 and XA, this you should tell this answer. You know, you are studying this from 11, 12. It is there as well. Okay, AsF5. Okay, one is to one ratio. Tell me, just pause the video and tell me, comment what will occur. So I am giving you a hint that one cation and one anion will form. Just write, comment the cation and anion in the below comment section. So pause the video, I am writing. Okay, I think you know this question. Many of you, I think, you will answer on the comment. I am writing now. Yes, F6 negative. Okay, you know this product. I know it is very known questions to all. Okay, let's quickly move to the next question. According to Vesper theory, SF2Cl and S2O4 2 minus should be. Okay, SF2Cl. SF2Cl plus and S2O4 2 minus. Okay, tell me, they are asking about according to should be which one. They are asking about actually the shape or geometry like that? Tell me the answer. So 6 plus 2 plus 1 plus minus 1 by 2 equal to 4. 12. It should not be 12. You can't find that like that. Means it should be tetrahedral. So tell me the answer. So it is 4, but they are asking about shape. One lone pair is present there because 4 minus 3 equal to 1. 3 means 3 bonds, 2 fluorine and 1 chlorine, and one lone pair is there, so it will be trigonal planar. It will be like this. So this structure is also like trigonal planar. Means I don't know, I think most of you know, but let me draw the structure first. One sulfur bond is present, so it is difficult to guess that structure with the hybridization. Then now trigonal planar is present. 2s is there, so sulfur bond and S. Two minus, this is negative, this is negative, so you can calculate 1 2 3. Pi bond will not consider in the shape geometry, so 1 1 1 2 3, so 3 bonds, trigonal planar, so both will be trigonal planar. Understand? No problem. If you have problem, let's comment in the comment below, and I will try to answer that or make a video of that. So another some problems are left. Let me explain that, then I will end this video. I don't want to be elongate this video because you will get bored of this video. So we will try to make short videos, means 20 minutes 30 minutes like that, so you can easily, if I make 1 hour video or 2 hour video, you will feel that 1 hour, who will watch that 1 hour video or 2 hour. But if I keep that video 20 minutes 25 minutes or 30 minutes, you will mind 30 minutes let watch the video, so I'll try to keep that video. So our mind is now, everyone's mind is now finding short pieces, means doing very less things or expecting more, or expecting very early our success nowadays. But you have to keep doing your best continuously. You can be average student, but you should be consistent enough for a long time, then definitely you will get success. The order of the polarity of the NH3, NF3 and BF3. So I think polarity means what we will consider. We will consider the dipole moment. So how we will calculate the dipole moment? So let's draw NH3. This is the lone pair. NH3 is a pyramidal. Okay. So a nitrogen is more lone pair. Let me use another this one. So the resultant vector will be upward. Another BF3. What is the structure of the BF3? It is planar. So planar, it will cancel out. Everyone is 120 degree. The dipole moment will be 0. Vector of moment, if 3 components are there, it will be present in 120 degree of each other with respect to each other. The resultant dipole moment will be 0. We will study it since 11-12 vector. So it will pull like this, it will pull. Both 3 bonds are same, BF, and these 2 resultant are cancelling this one. So here mu not equal to 0, but here mu equal to 0, so it will be the least. And NF3, it is lone pair will show the upward dipole moment. If lone pair present here, it will show downward. The direction of the lone pair will consider the dipole moment direction, same side. Fluorine is more electronegative, so its resultant vector will be like this, but it will little bit cancelled because the lone pair dipole moment is opposite of this resultant. But here all the dipole moment are directing same direction. So what will be the highest? Absolutely NH3 have more dipole moment than NF3, and here dipole moment is 0, so it will come at the least position. Okay, that is the answer. So let's proceed for the next problem. Let me take another chalk. Okay, the next question, conversion of the boron trifluoride to boron tetrafluoride compounds. So they are asking about boron trifluoride. Boron trifluoride is here BF3 to I think you can see BF3 to BF4, boron tetrafluoride minus, means one fluorine atom is attacking here. So what is the, they are asking about the symmetry. It is the, a plane is present, 3 C2s are present, 1 C3 is present, that is perpendicular, so D will come. I will teach more detailedly in symmetry, but you can see that here 1 C3 is present, 3 C2 are present, so they are perpendicular to that principal axis, so D will come. Okay, and that molecular plane is present, so sigma H is present, so D3H. Cb is also present, 3 Cb, and BF4 means that is a tetrahedral structure, tetrahedral, TD. So D3H to TD, symmetry is going higher to lower or lower to higher? Of course lower to higher. TD geometry has higher symmetry. Okay, so symmetry is going to, because the options are, they are asking that increase in symmetry or decrease in symmetry, so the symmetry is increasing, going higher in symmetry. So and they are asking about another question, that bond elongation or contraction. Let's see. So here when BF3 is present, B has a vacant orbital, so fluorine easily can donate it and it will form like this. Positive. Okay, it's lone pair, not negative. But so every fluorine atom is getting partially double bond character, means greater than 1, the bond order is greater than 1, bond order BO is greater than 1. But for BF4 it is tetrahedral, it can't form back bond because it is 2p interaction, it can easily donate, but here no vacant orbital is present, so F minus can't donate, so it is purely single bond, means bond order is purely 1. So as bond order is decreasing from this, see here greater than 1, from in BF3 it is greater than 1, in BF4 minus it is 1, so bond order is decreasing, means bond length is increasing, so bond elongation will occur. So two things we learned here, D3H to TD higher symmetry it is going, means symmetry is increasing and the bond length also elongating. Okay, understand? If you don't understand, please ask me in comment section, I will explain it, or otherwise just go back few minutes back and understand the whole matter. I am reviewing. So we are coming to our last question of this video. Last question, it will appear on your screen. The shape of the XCF5 plus and XCF5 minus. XCF5 plus and XCF5 minus. So XCF5 plus means 8 plus 5 minus 1 by 2, 8 plus 5 plus 1 by 2. I am calculating the hybridization. So 6 here, 7. So 5 bonds are present, here also 5 bonds are present. So we are getting 1 lone pair, here we are getting 2 lone pair. Okay. So they are asking about the pentagonal, planar, square planar, pentagonal, biplanar. Okay. So here 6 is the number, 6 means sp3 d2. It will be octahedral, but 1 lone pair is present, so it will be like this. Okay, what is the shape? If it there, it will like octahedral, but it is not there, but means square pyramidal shape. But here 7 means it is pentagonal bipyramidal. It should be pentagonal bipyramidal. But 2 lone pair are present, so it will be like this. Only pentagonal bonds are present. And 2 lone pairs are above and below. So what will be the shape? Pentagonal planar, no lone pairs are present. You can guess from the options. I just was that they are asking about the shape, not about the geometry. If they are asking about the geometry, it will be pentagonal bipyramidal, but they are asking about the shape, so we will eliminate the lone pair. Remember this thing. And here as well, 1 lone pair is present. That's why we are considering with the only the bone, so square pyramidal. If we are considering with the lone pair, the geometry will come, then it will be the octahedral geometry. So option D will be correct. So we are ending this video here. I am not elongating this video. So these are the previous year questions of chemical bonding. You should study chemical bonding because it is a very easy chapter to study, and you will get easy marks from here. Every year 1 to 2 questions will come from chemical bonding, the shape, the geometry, and the other questions. And I will upload some practice set questions, and that will be different from this previous year question. After this video I will upload that. Just watch that video and just remember all the concepts. It will help you very much for your GATE examination, next 2023 examination. So thank you, happy learning.